Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Meli Kurnesi. And now, I want to ask you, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear mathematics? Maybe various. However, based on the experience of meeting students in Indonesia, many think that mathematics is a complicated science, difficult to understand, and even if it will be useful for anything, it's the same in the field of science. A scientist with the results of the project he handled was very instrumental in laying in development of science, especially mathematics, astronomy, and geography. He was Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. The works and expertise Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi is an expert in mathematics, astronomy, and geography from Kufa, Iraq. Born around 780 in Khwarizm and died around 850 in Baghdad. Most of his life, he worked as a lecturer at the Honorary School in Baghdad, which was founded by the Abbasid Caliph Al-Ma'mun bin Ar-Rashid, where he studied natural sciences and mathematics, including studying the translation of Sanskrit and Greek manuscripts. His greatest work in mathematics, astronomy, astrology, geography, cartography as a foundation, and later more innovative in algebra, trigonometry, and other fields that he is engaged in. His logical and systematic approach to linear solutions and quadratic notations of accuracy in the discipline of algebra. The name is taken from the name of one of his books in 830 AD, Al-Kitab Al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab Al-Jabar wal Muqabbala, or the summary book for complementing and balancing calculations, the first book to be translated into Latin in the 12th century. Therefore, Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi was a great scientist who was an expert in three fields of science. Firstly, al-Khwarizmi is a scientist who contributed his greatest work in mathematics. His work were very influential for human civilizations. Of all his works in the field of mathematics and very influential for human civilizations, al-Khwarizmi was also named the father of mathematics because his first work discussed the systematic solutions of linear and quadratic notations. Al-Khwarizmi's work in mathematics was produced through works entitled Hisab al-Jabar wal Muqabbala and the book Jama wat Tariq. Both books have a lot to say about linear and quadratic equations, integration, calculation, and equations with 800 different examples. Al-Khwarizmi was also the first to teach algebra in elementary school. Not only that, Al-Jabar was the first book to discuss linear systematic solutions and quadratic notations. This algebra is a branch of mathematics that combines rational, irrational, and geometric magnitudes into objects in algebra. Al-Khwarizmi also played a role in the development of tables of sines, cosines, and trigonometry. Al-Khwarizmi was also the one who popularized the use of number zero. He was the first to explain the use of numbers, including the number zero, during his lifetime. He has written approximately 256 books. One of his books, entitled Al-Khwarizmi on the Hindu Art of Reckoning, contains a number placement system based on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 from this book. Al-Khwarizmi has been named as the inventor of the number 0 in the number system. The number 0 was the most recent number discovered at the time. Secondly, Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi is a Muslim scientist who has made a major contribution in the field of world science. One of the major contributions he made was his share in measuring the circle of the earth in astronomical aspects. Al-Khwarizmi, other than as an expert in mathematics, he is also an expert in the field of astronomy. Astronomy is a branch of natural science that involves observing celestial bodies such as stars, planets, comets, nebulae, clusters, stars, or galaxies, as well as natural phenomena that occur outside Earth's atmosphere. Not only that, Al-Khwarizmi's contributions was also recorded in making astronomical diagrams. This diagram is also very popular because it is published in his book entitled As-Sanad Hind. The book As-Sanad Hind is a book containing astronomical diagrams. As a scientist, Al-Khwarizmi was also wrote several important books in astronomy. His book, among others, entitled Al-Amal bi Al-Starlab and also Schedule an-Nujum wa Harakatuha. In addition, Al-Khwarizmi took part in measuring the circle of the earth, which was done at the time of Caliph Al-Ma'mun. This measure is done by using knowledge astronomy. Thirdly, geography is a science that describes everything that exists on the surface of the earth. Al-Khwarizmi's contribution in geography, he wrote in two of his works, namely the book Shurah al-Arad and the book Taqwim al-Buldan. In a book entitled Surah al-Arad, Al-Khwarizmi writes, which contains confirm Ptolemy's opinion. And in that book also Al-Khwarizmi to make a map that was more detailed and the map made by Ptolemy. Apart from that, he also wrote book entitled Taqwim al-Buldan, according to Carlo Nilano and the Orientalists from Italy. That the books written by Al-Khwarizmi to discuss geography are not just quotes from Greek scientists, but Al-Khwarizmi has been able to make geography as an independent discipline. His systematizations and corrections of Ptolemaic data on geography is a tribute to Africa and the Middle East. Another of his major books, Kitab Surat al-Arad or Views of the Earth, translated by geography. We show the coordinates and location of the world. Now, basis boldly evaluate the long value of the Mediterranean Sea and the locations of cities in Asia and Africa previously given by Ptolemy. He then headed the construction of a world map for Caliph Al-Ma'mun and participated in a project to determine the layout of the earth, along with 70 other geographers, to create the map that come to be called now the world. When his work was copied and transferred to Arabic and Latin, it had a great impact on the progress of basic mathematics in Europe. He also wrote about the astrolabe and sundials. In conclusion, Al-Khwarizmi has given a major contributions in passing the wheels of human civilizations until we have now arrived at the pace of an advanced world civilizations. In the Western world, mathematics, much influenced by Al-Khwarizmi's work, modern society is currently in debt to Al-Khwarizmi in terms of the use of numbers. A part of developing knowledge of calculations, Al-Khwarizmi also gave great contribution in the development of astronomy as evidenced by his various work, including the book Al-Amal bi Al-Starlab, the book Schedule an-Nujum wa Harakatuha, the book As-Sanad Hind, or the book that contains about astronomical diagrams. In addition, Al-Khwarizmi took part in measuring the circle of the earth and so on. Apart from mathematics and astronomy, Al-Khwarizmi too is an expert in geography and Arabic music art, proven with some of his books about that, and it's all the works and expertise of Musa Al-Khwarizmi. Maybe until here my speech, more or less sorry. Thanks a lot. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.